MS, otherwise known as multiple sclerosis, is an autoimmune disease in which the immune system attacks the protective covering myelin, fatty tissue that surrounds nerve fibers, which cause slow delay or disruption in moving parts of your body or muscles. If you or a loved one is suffering from MS, call the number on your screen, as you may be entitled to compensation. Symptoms of MS occur in the brain, which includes memory loss, processing information slowly, concentration issues, trouble remembering or planning out things. It also occurs in the vision when the optic nerves get inflamed. It causes blurred vision, blindness in at least one eye, double vision, or a dark spot in your field vision. It causes fatigue, so you can become more tired doing easy things like walking upstairs or walking down the hall, just simple things like that, which also leads to depression of not doing anything really because you're too tired. Another symptom is temperature, because the unmyelinated nerve cells, it's harder for them to conduct signals, so your temperature gets higher and hotter. A lot of people with MS face a lot of pain in their body, like pins and needles, tingling, aching, sometimes sharp pains in your arms, legs, your face. Also stiff muscle spasms with your movement of your body. Some involuntary movements, like your spasms of legs, face, arms. Causes of MS, it's an autoimmune disease, so basically it attacks its own tissues, so the body, in this case, is destroying myelin, which is the fatty tissue that surrounds nerve fibers in the brain and spinal cord. Myelin insulates the signals that are traveling through the neuron. When the myelin is gone or damaged, it interrupts the signal, so it doesn't fully go through. So for example, wanting to move your arm, it will send a signal out and then it will stop and not fully go through, so you cannot move it. There's no cure for MS, but basically what they try to do is slow down the progression of it and try to stop attacks. Another treatment for MS is corticosteroids, which basically reduces nerve inflammation on the site of the damaged the damaged myelin. Scientists do plasma exchanges, where basically they take the plasma out of your blood and put it back in your body, which kind of recovers the site of the damaged myelin. Other treatments for MS are physical therapy, muscle relaxants, and other medications that are like antidepressants and pain medications for pain that you will suffer during MS. As we don't have a cure for MS, it's really important that people continue funding for research to figure out what the cure actually is. So you can donate on National Multiple Sclerosis Society online, or they always do MS walks, which raise a bunch of money for funding to really end this horrible immune disease.